Roots are a huge problem for sewer pipes. As time goes by and roots continue to grow, they can penetrate sewer pipe walls, causing root intrusion. This means your sewer pipe can clog, leaving you with backups, slow drains, or even a sinkhole. These sewer problems can be even worse if you have cast iron pipes. When you hire us, we can video your sewer line and find the pipe damage. Once found, we can custom tailor a repair plan and fix the problem for good. In most cases, we can perform these sewer repairs without costly excavation. First, we cut the roots using a high-speed root cutter. Next, we hydrojet the line using our high-pressure water jet to remove any sludge or buildup. A new pipe liner is installed into the old host pipe through an existing cleanout or toilet drain. Once cured in place, the new pipe liner creates a fully rehabilitated pipe that is fixed for good. Most importantly, this new system is completely sealed, eliminating the possibility of infiltration and exfiltration. Save money. Save your sewer. Save your property.